now.
This is the man from Isukwata.
Yes.
This man from Isukwata.
I'm Igbo.
Now me carry this guy. Serious story. When this guy go pray bride price, now me carry and go in-laws. Now me pose as the father of the group.
What's the price?
I price. Where your wife?
Look up.
I price the people. They come, they look me. Say, nah, how pronounce I in-law?
They let me. They let me give me my wife's sister job. So well, just people take the two. Agree to that one. What are those things? They just want. Guess what things you have and they see. CC win, you know. Sorry, Miracle win against CC. People they complain. Hey, CC cannot win. She insulted that guy name. Toby. And I looked at video, I watched the video. The guy caused that guy sharp. Cause craze going from that guy for hours. But then again, now people they complain. Oh, she's talking here. How dare you people insult that girl? How? Why? Because the same thing where she do, every woman they do. Unfortunately, camera don't take everybody house. There's a CC in every woman. Yes, take it or leave it. I do not support domestic violence. I frown on it 100%. But you see that way that guy doing the person. Yes, but men are telling the truth. When woman insults you, give me my stand. Give me my stand. When woman they insult you like that, don't ever say you won't go Peter, you won't kill yourself. Wrong. Do not ever in your life say you slash. No matter how they insult you, wrong. Give me the mic, sir. What you do is different. When they insult you, do anyhow, no do anything we go leave evidence. No beat your wife. They shake them. I don't want you make me they insult me for public. You need to hear what you. Now, every day the soul will fall enter their head. When you shake her like 100 times, the head ache. Make she call police. Wait till she want the police. He was shaking me. But the head ache will go down 2 days. Anyway, oh, sister, and so on. They say use the two-face. When that drama starts, then you have two-face, they talk rubbish. The king, it is something. Why? Because of the rating. What do you do? What do you do? The same thing when you can be bragging right now. Everybody now they know. Only whiskey that the video show now feel like it is wrong. Nobody will talk again. That's what I'm doing. You want people down. Some women will say infidelity. I cannot believe he cheated on me. So what? But they can be cheated on me with one girl, with one girl, with one. Even in that 5, we can see no more wives won't talk. 300 back, 700 pounds back, nobody suffer when they suffer. So which means, if that man gets 1,000 women, the first person when he see, now 3 years later, she go do it again. Screw with the weight, torn for years, for the feel wife. So no more struggle. 1,000 women. Which means he get to the job 2, 1.5 to complete. I got a man. Maybe when I come down, then women come and love it. Then the one with the tiny parts, now the one with the very common. What they say, you too lazy. Who gave you the right to talk anything in your life? Like I don't lose the election now. Nothing where that man won't do, we will win this election. For that statement, the youths are lazy. Are you okay? How do you say that? The only thing we plan for you to win election, like you legalize Igbo. And the only thing we use for Kiva. Because nobody, the guy legalized the God of Nago, my brother, lazy, the guy, I'm lazy. And they tell you, that guy guy realize he go because you both know they cause problem. What did he go do? What did he do? Nothing. That guy, now what did Jacob Zuma do? That's why they want impeach him for Cape Town. They go parliament, they shout, we evicted this one. Jacob Zuma, kick him out, kick him out. The guy don't legalize it both for Cape Town alone for the whole of South Africa. Google now. People will hold placard. They hear news. Are you sure we have to do this thing? We can go smoke first and we'll come back and carry the placard. You go think that the only thing we have to do, nothing else. Then another thing, because I'm just saying some crap. There's one thing we have noticed here. It's not just for me. Do you know that all these airlines, they annoy passengers? And they fly from Dallas to New York last year. I reached counter. The lady said, "Man, drop my carry-on luggage for the weighing machine and drop her." She looked at me and said, "Sir, it's 12 kg. You're only allowed 8 kg. I said, "No problem." I commode the things, some of the things, put inside my checked-in luggage. I commode the bag. As I put my checked-in luggage, she said, "Sorry, sir, I'm afraid you have to pay for excess luggage and for the bag itself." I said, "Why?" She said, "Sir, your bag is 22 kg. It's supposed to be 22 kg. You have 26 here." I said, "Fuck." I paid $100. As I wait for my receipt, she said, "Excuse me, sir, can you just move to the side so I can turn to the person behind you?" I walk out and look. You see the guy. The guy fat. 3 sides of Dele Momodu and Ubuka Beguna and Special Ed joined together. The guy big. Me, I weigh 85 pounds. That guy, they weigh at least 280, 290. So as the guy can't drop in carry-on luggage, it was 7 kg. The woman looked at me like, she can see how people travel. I'm quiet. The guy dropped in checked-in luggage, 17 kg. She looked at me again like that kind of she can see. I'm not talking anything. I call the thing from my mind. This airline, they cheat us. Weight is supposed to be the same across board. Your body weight and your checked-in luggage. 150. Everybody may see, everybody will walk out. If your limit is now 150, your weight as I be 85, which means I will get an extra 65 for luggage. Finish! That time I go to lose some weight, talk to 50 so I can carry more luggage. That time now for airport, you go see where men they price people. You see someone like Special Ed, they just see Air-Rufai. Say, "Sir, do you have any checked-in luggage?" Say, "Yes, I checked in to her, fine, no problem. Then you help me carry my luggage." Say, "Why?" Say, "Okay, you be 24 now. And you're about 22, 22 space today. I can't afford to carry people low time." I'm telling you. Then the one we are here again, you hear one new research. They say recently, scientists they say any woman will date a man. The chances of the man DNA to date her body for 5 years is high. Which means if she dates Jacob 2015, can't date Michael 2018, they can't born begin 2019. The chances of the son or the daughter to resemble Jacob is 95%. Yes, Google now. Problem one day. Now problem one day now because women don't gonna do anyhow. Now only men will bam rich men because they will not say at least this one DNA they are going to marry one idiot. The pikin say will get hustling spirit. That time people will get the mind. But guess what? That time a woman will feel like it was back again. Say no, it's your child, it's not your child. Because you look who the pikin behavior. If I dare see my son at the age of 9, come carry powder, the raw. I say, honey, come. Sure you said you didn't do anything with Banky W. I swear I did not do anything with him. Then my son will call it do. Yo man, what the fuck man? Baby Jim I. Then my son just come back from school, he complained, "Dad, I didn't do well in this exam. I was writing, and this guy was copying my book, copying me, and I failed and he passed." I said, "Honey, don't tell me you did anything with blackface, so." What did you Oh, wow. Now, observation. Then my final observation before I leave is I've noticed that Nigerians, they like to insult people when they deport. Why? Person go pursue, they deport them and they break. The same thing when people die, we they celebrate, we do the hate. In this one, we dey hate. Take it easy. In this one, one person is one insult, and everything I insult. Baby, tell you baby is born picky, they insult. And this one, calm down. They insult, they hate too much. And some artists they complain, oh, I can't believe they hate me. Shut up. Jesus Christ, they know they kill him. If they think he Jesus, they will rip you apart. So all you need to do is to do things and just leave everything for God. America did it, they complain, oh, gun violence, then shut up, and they cause their problem by themselves. Nobody they say gun. Now go for the way they say, oh, gun violence. Simple. Stop it. Bring the guns back. Collect the guns. You have all their social security number. We treat guns. They make the guns more expensive. Like me one gun be $500,000. Bullet $50,000. Most of won't keep. Bullet $50,000 for one. Then gun 500K. Even if you don't get money buy gun, you go borrow gun again. But you must buy bullet. 50K for one bullet. Which means they keep person with 4 bullets, $200,000. The person deserves to die. If they spend $200,000 to kill you, you're supposed to die. What did you do? What did you do? That time you see some guys, some American boys, they're going to work like 3 jobs just to kill one person. Because if not gone, if not one bullet, that means they need to near you. Because if you shoot the person don't die. Your money don't go. So if you want to keep person go near your head, poof, the gun. Then the person will stand and wait for him to shoot back. No. Death will reduce by 99%. Nobody will kill anybody. That time you see America, they work 3 jobs just to kill one person. You understand this, man? Dude, why are you working so hard, man? That motherfucker's gonna die, man. Yo, dude, just give me 4 more years, nigga. I'm gonna kill you. Let me work hard for this shit, nigga. I'm fucking killing you. 4 more years, you dead, bitch. Bitch. Yeah, the you see the guy died of natural causes 2 years later. I said, fuck, nigga. 45% to kill. It's crazy, man. The world is fucked up, whether we like it or not. Everything is messed up right now. Everything. Crazy. I said, okay, I joke, but the world don't crazy. Everybody is crazy now. And they see, I'm sorry, what I'm about to say right now will annoy some people. But it's the truth. Everything changed drastically. Yeah, what's it called? Phones, that changed the world past. Telecommunication. Before, if you come out, whenever you tell your wife say they come back, at that time they come back. She don't find you where you did. Now tell your wife I'm in the board meeting, honey, send me pictures. Because when they came and they walk out for hotel meeting. Manager, I better call your staff for do meeting. I bet when I get my shirt, I'm suit. Oh God. Nobody feel cheat again. Do it there, they touch you. And they tell people, if you go sleep outside, I tell the best way to avoid temptation is to fall for one. Make them tired. No, I'm not tired today. I avoid this. Make catch me. That's how I go here one day. You don't take. I go here one day. So I just I can't say make I sleep 5 minutes. That's how you sleep till 4 a.m. Not because you won't sleep after you go. Stand up, commando. Just stand when your clock go house. Now so I said, let me just run out for 5 minutes. That's how you just go. I wake up 4 o'clock. As I see phone, I know I'm gonna die. I see like 62 calls from my wife. I see calls from both like 14. She like 22. Hey! I said that the women, if they try reach your husband for night, he no pick up. No, they call him friends. They not go pick up until they reach him. So as they not reach me, nobody pick up. So for the men, maybe I do as I wake up 4 o'clock, I see something I don't die. Sharp guy, I just call my doctor. Uthman, how far? Say day. Where you dey? Say the hospital. I dey come. I just reach out because my brother admits me. Put oxygen mask. Call my wife. That's like that. If that one no work, do the simplest one. Go make police arrest you with 5K. You are in prison. Pay them, say my brother arrest me. Call my wife. don't know why some police people they police people they do okay, they do like that. Or Nigerian police they do, they charge 5K, 10K. Oh, okay, I go Super Bowl. I don't vex. I hate talk rubbish.